Sisters, our 13th moon of the 13 Moons Indigenous Teachings, first moon Indigenous storytelling by Asha Frost, and a full moon in Cancer are all aligning for us to experience our initial 2025 Women's Circle. This circle holds the medicine of how to go through every cycle and lesson of transformation in order to spiritually evolve into the living vessels of love that the Great Mystery intended for us to be. Her color is crystal, crystalline, silvery, shimmering. This spirit moon is connected to the brilliance of the northern lights and a time to be silent and honor the quiet. Just like the northern lights, we too hold magnificence, beauty, and wonder. We are a vital part of creation, and this moon asks us to awaken to that truth. The Thunderbird is our spirit animal of this cycle. Thunderbird has vital medicine that helps us walk in integrity with who we are. Becomes her vision holds all the teachings of her 12 moons sisters, and until all of these parts come into balance, we cannot have a full understanding of the eternal flame of love inside of every human's potential. When we can walk the earth with self-realized wholeness, we access the guardianship of the prophecy of wholeness. Our teaching is to create the ultimate transforming vision to simply be. Sisters, join our circle of the spirit moon, becomes her vision, emerging spirit keeper, the mother of change. Monday, January 13th, 6 to 8:30 p.m. This is a BOGO gift offer. Light dinner will be served in person and via Zoom. Satnam.